Hey guys, today we're checking out the Sealion 05 EV. This is BYD's all-electric SUV. This is the mid-range Jihong edition, offering a 520 kilometers range. Here's the key fob. Alright, let's quickly check out the exterior and interior. Up front, you'll notice the full-width LED light bar. Moving down to the bumper, you'll notice it's equipped with 6 radar sensors. This vehicle features front parking sensors. The headlights feature a sleek, one-piece design. You get LED lighting for both high and low beams. Inside, you'll find these stylish water droplet accents. Up on the windshield, you'll spot 3 cameras. This vehicle is equipped with advanced driver assistance features. It measures 4,520 millimeters in length, 1,860 millimeters in width, and 1,630 millimeters in height. With a 2,720 millimeters wheelbase, it's classified as a compact SUV. It features a front McPherson strut and rear multi-link suspension setup. The rear-view mirror houses dual cameras for enhanced visibility. An additional camera is integrated into the fender for all-around monitoring. It's equipped with Sentry mode for 24/7 security surveillance. It rolls on stylish 5-spoke aluminum alloy wheels. The wheels feature these aerodynamic hubcaps. These hubcaps are made of plastic. The car rides on two 15/60 or 17 tires. Moving to the rear design, you'll notice the sleek full-width taillights. The side light clusters feature that signature water drop design from BYD's Ocean series. Down here on the bumper, you'll find 6 parking sensors. The car's equipped with rear parking sensors. Plus, it's got an automatic parking assist system, making it super beginner-friendly. Now, let's check out the trunk space again, which features manual operation. And here we got the rear seats in their upright position. Let's take a closer look here. Over on the right side, you'll find a handy 12-volt power outlet. You'll notice 2 convenient hooks here. Both sides feature these cleverly designed storage pockets, perfect for storing items that might roll around. Beneath the partition, you'll find a recessed storage compartment. This is where the car's tools and accessories are stored. You also get a portable charging cable in the package. The rear seats come with a 60/40 split folding design, giving you more flexibility. Now, let's see how it looks when folded down. You'll notice a small hump in the floor, but overall, the floor stays pretty flat and practical. Plus, the wide opening makes it super easy to load your gear. Under the hood, you'll find hydraulic struts for the front cover. Up top, you'll find sound insulation padding. Why would an EV even need sound insulation? The front trunk actually serves as a storage compartment, perfect for storing your everyday carry items. Power comes from a single rear-mounted electric motor, delivering 160 kilowatts of maximum power with 330 Newton meters of torque. Here's the windshield washer fluid reservoir. The passenger side houses the charging port. It features both fast and slow charging capabilities. It's powered by an LFP, lithium iron phosphate battery, with a 60.9 kilowatt-hour battery capacity. It features conventional mechanical door handles, a crowd favorite, with a semi-hidden design for a sleek look. You'll find keyless entry on the driver's side. It makes access super convenient. Let's take a look inside the cabin. The cockpit layout features a clean, minimalist design, with a sleek black and gray color palette, and a flush-mounted instrument cluster. The infotainment screen features a floating design, but they've removed the screen's rotating feature. Why remove the rotating feature? Someone explain this. The steering wheel features premium leather wrapping. Both sides feature handy function controls. You'll find a self-driving activation paddle on the left side. It features a steering column-mounted gear selector. This design helps free up space on the center console. The upper door panels feature soft-touch molded material. The gray midsection features fabric upholstery. The lower section features full leather wrapping. The dashboard top features soft-touch molding. These components use durable hard plastics. The center section features glossy piano black trim. Down here we got fabric upholstery throughout. The infotainment system features a 12.8-inch LCD display. The interface keeps BYD's signature design language. It's actually quite user-friendly. It comes preloaded with locally optimized apps. You can seamlessly connect your smartphone. Like we said, it's even got Sentry mode for security. That's actually pretty handy. Down here below the center console, you'll find some handy control buttons. We've got the engine start button, hazard lights toggle, and driving mode selector right here. And right below that, there's a perfect spot for your phone. Over on the left, you get super fast 50-watt wireless charging capability. You got a pair of cup holders right here. And this clever little compartment can hold your keys or even a pack of tissues. This tissue dispenser is super handy to use. The center armrest compartment has enough space for roughly 4 cans of soda. There's also a cleverly designed open storage area under the center console. Inside, you'll find a 12-volt power outlet. It includes 2 ports, a Type-C charging port, and a USB data port for connecting a flash drive to play music. Plus, there's a memory card slot right in the middle. All seats feature premium leather upholstery. The seating surfaces feature perforated leather for enhanced breathability. Up front, both seats offer both cooling and heating functions, perfect for any weather. There's a cleverly designed overhead sunglasses holder. Just remember, this isn't an ashtray. The dome light features convenient touch activation. Now, both front sun visors come with vanity mirrors with LED lighting. The passenger side features an assist handle. The whole roof features a fixed panoramic glass panel that stretches continuously from front to back. While it doesn't open, there's a retractable sunshade. It blocks harsh summer sun while letting in winter light. Now, let's adjust the front seats to my normal driving position. For reference, I'm 1.72 m, about 5 feet 8 inches tall. Now, let's check the rear legroom. With proper seating, there's over 2 fist widths of knee room. There are 2 storage pockets back here. The floor is perfectly flat throughout. The rear seats come with dedicated air vents. You'll find 2 charging ports down here, a Type-C and a USB. The rear seats feature 3 adjustable headrests, and they're all removable for your convenience. In the middle, you've got a center armrest. It houses 2 built-in cup holders. Now let's talk about this BYD Sealion 05 EV. The car comes in 3 different trim levels, priced at $16,100, $17,500, and $18,900 respectively. And every trim comes with the cutting-edge Tion Shun Ji system. So what's your take on this ride? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know what car you want to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Hey Car Zone signing off. Catch you in the next one.